Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can choose to sit cross-legged in Sukhasana, the easy pose, Padmasana, Lotus, or Siddhasana, the accomplished pose. If you don't feel comfortable seated cross-legged, you can also sit on a chair, just making sure that your feet are firmly planted on the ground. If you decide to sit cross-legged, you can also choose a little bit of elevation under your buttocks, maybe some support under your knees, so that the practice can continue without your body struggling in the pose. Once you have found your seated position, allow the gaze to become a little bit more passive. Fix it somewhere just below the level of your eyes. And slowly allow the eyelids to become heavier. And close the eyes, either fully or allowing a little bit of light to come into the eye without the objects distracting you. And here, as you withdraw your sense of vision more inwards, give yourself space to notice what the body feels like today. Notice the signals it's sending you, the sensations that are appearing, any tightness, discomfort, itching. And just try to acknowledge those sensations without judgment, without attachment. And slowly move on to aligning the body. So become aware of your sit bones in contact with whatever you are seated on. And let them ground you. Feel how your hips are opening. And if you are seated cross-legged, feel that strong foundation built. Become aware of your tailbone. And from the tailbone, all along the spine, vertebra by vertebra, elongate the spine through the crown of your head. Allow the shoulders to stay away from the ears. Send them slightly back. And allow the scapulae to go down the spine. Feel how moving the shoulders back opens up your rib cage so that the breath can flow freely. Extend your arms, placing the hands on the knees, allowing the elbows to hang in loosely. Slowly bring your focus to your face. Relax the skin and the muscles. Pay attention to the skin of your forehead, allowing it to stretch to the sides towards the temples. And notice if that stretching also allows the eyebrows to relax, to draw to the sides, releasing the spot between the eyebrows. Notice how the whole area of your eyes relaxes. the corners of your eyes dropping down, allowing gravity to work. Notice your cheeks, how they soften and melt. Loosen up the jaw all the way from the right side to the left side. Behind your closed mouth, allow the chin to drop, to create more space for your tongue to rest softly at the bottom of the mouth. Place the tip of the tongue behind your upper teeth. And with your body aligned, the face relaxed, mindfully relax into your posture completely. Slowly shift your awareness and attention to your breath, noticing every inhale and every exhale as they arise and pass away. Do not control the breath, just observe it. Read it like an interesting book. What is the quality of your breath? What is the length of every inhale and every exhale? If you find it difficult to keep the mind focused, you can start labeling the parts of the breath and mentally repeating, I'm breathing in, I'm breathing out. Stay in the presence of your breath for the next few moments. Start noticing the interaction between the breath and the body, and eventually the breath and the state of your mind. As you become more aware of this interaction between breath and body, consciously send the breath to your abdomen. With an inhale, feel how the whole area of your belly relaxes. And with the out-breath, consciously let go of any remaining tensions. Let them evaporate completely. And slowly shift the awareness to the breath that occurs in your rib cage. What is the interaction between the breath and the chest? With every breath in, relax the whole chest area. With every breath out, let any remaining tensions evaporate completely. Become aware of your arms from the shoulders to the fingertips, and feel how with every breath the arms relax. Every exhale releases any remaining tensions, allowing them to evaporate completely. Bring your attention and awareness to the area of your head. With every breath in, feels how your face relaxes. How with every breath out, any remaining tensions evaporate completely. And continue breathing at your own pace and rhythm, mindfully staying in the presence of your breath. Now use this moment to set a motivation for your practice. Think of the benefit that you gain from it. Observe the influence that these few minutes of practice have had on your body, on your breath, on your mind. And think that apart from benefiting yourself through this practice, you can also benefit others. Slowly come back into the space of your body. And gently allow the eyes to blink open.